Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke here on Aneke Budgets, and on here we do cash stuffing, budgeting, paying off our debt, and mind our business, and not necessarily in them four orders. Okay, child? So get into it. Okay, look y'all, it's 5 o'clock. I'm just making this video an hour before it's post, but it's okay because we do what needs to be done. Okay, if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back, welcome back y'all. And if you are new here, I hope you hit that subscribe button. I hope you turn on your notification bell, child. Like this video, y'all. Leave your 2 cents down in the comment box below and get into it. And as you guys can see, we about to get into it because we're doing a budget close out for paycheck number 2. About to get her up out of here. So let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so welcome back, child. Okay, dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to close out a budget. Okay, make sure that our money went where it needed to go and did the things that it needed to do. All right, so we are gonna close out this money right here and then get right up into it. So my bills account is what we started with, and my bills account had $616.09 that was carried over, child, and that was literally the amount of money that was in my account. I was like, oh my god, look at me. So there was that. Then I had $600 in rental income that got deposited to me for this paycheck, which brought me to a total of $1,216.09 for your girl to work with, because come on now, get into it. Okay, the next thing, oh child, I got a notification, sorry. The next thing is expenses, and if you guys know, then expenses comes out of my bills account, and I have no expenses during this paycheck, so child, we love to see it. Okay, next we're gonna go down to my cash envelopes, because that is where the things that needed to be done happens. I did put $60 in my tides. Groceries, definitely got nothing. My best friend was living with me for about a week and a half, 2 weeks, and so she bought groceries, y'all, majority of the time, and so I had money left over in groceries, so I didn't need to spend as much. And then we still carpooled and everything, but I had money for gas, and so because I had money for that gas, I didn't have to put gas in my car. But child, she's already left. She left me, y'all, and so now I gotta do I gotta pay for gas the entire time, and I don't get to carpool anymore. So yeah, but with this budget, I had a lot of money left over. I had like $60 off of this, so it helped a lot. I did put $10 in allowance, so that worked. Household did get $6, y'all. So I'm not supposed to, but tomorrow I'm starting to go back to the gym because your girl got things to do, losing weight and everything. But tomorrow I'm supposed to go back to the gym, and I just told my mama I wanted to get shrimp, and she was like, no girl, there's fat in shrimp, you should get some chicken, or you should eat some cauliflower rice. I was like, girl, can I eat though? Can I eat? Please. She's like, no girl, half the battle, or what she was like, no, 75% of the battle is what you put in your mouth. So I'm gonna try, y'all. I'm gonna try to do better, because I need to do better in order to lose this weight, child. I just realized that for me, I'm a little fat, so I need to lose some weight. I did put $7 in toiletries because I did spend all my money on my armpits, child, because I needed deodorant, because I refuse to be stink around here, and I'm going back to the gym. Oh, I definitely refuse to be stink around here. So toiletries was $7, hair care got $50, and then necessities I had to pay $14 because I had to ship. I think that's where I had to ship stuff to the winner of the giveaway, and so yeah, maybe not, but I think that's what that was for. So $14, and so all in all, nothing changed, and I still had $147 working right here. And so if you guys don't know, my cash envelopes, my sinking funds, additional savings, and additional debt all comes from my other income than my bills account. So that is the $600 that you guys see here. So whenever I'm doing a subtraction from my cash envelope, I take only from my rental income, which is $600, which is why down here in remaining, you guys see me have $453, because that's the remaining balance after the $147 from that $600. Ooh, that sounds like a whole lot of explanation, but we're moving in a new direction with this budgeting, child. I'm doing what works for me. Do what works for you. Next is my emergency fund, and y'all, y'all, great things happen in Paycheck cash stuffing number 3. So go ahead and watch that. It was the last cash stuffing that I did. I'm probably gonna have it at the end of this video. So when you finish this video, go ahead and watch cash stuffing number 3, because y'all, we're achieving goals. So this right here, my emergency fund got $75. My home maintenance did have $20. Car maintenance did get $20. I do need to do an oil change real soon. I paid, oh my god, child, thank you. Car insurance got $193. Yes. And I was able to pay my insurance in full for the next 6 months, y'all. And I canceled my old insurance, so there ain't no double dipping. I'm feeling so good. Yeah, wow. February is busting. I paid my complete car insurance, and I made a significant milestone in my finances. Come through then, February. So yes, February is doing what February needs to do, okay? Do what you need to do. All right, so travel did get $20, because I do need to pay for my flight in a little bit, y'all, in 2.5 seconds. My birthday got $15, because I do need to pay for my flight for my birthday. Family birthdays getting $10. Oh, I need to talk to my aunt, because I need to figure out what to get my baby cousin. $25 and under, child. I need to figure out what to get her for her birthday and send it to Canada, because that's where they live. So I need to do that, child. Clothing is getting $5. Family visits is getting $5. And so nothing else really changed out of sinking funds. We're just progressing to the goals, because we do have a couple things that's coming up that's going to take from, like I said, family birthday, because my baby cousin has a birthday, car insurance, and I paid that. Wow, February is doing what needs to be done, and I can't even lie, I truly 100% appreciate it. So that's $363 for my sinking funds. My remaining balance after I took $363 from this $453 down here was $90, as you guys can see. And so that is what we're going to take into our additional savings. Now, in my additional savings, I did put $60. Okay, get onto her. For my saving challenges, and with that, I put $50 to the 10 of a kind saving challenge, and I put $10 to the penny challenge, and that I wrote down here in the notes section. So if you're not using your notes section on this Paycheck budget sheet, I'll get into it. It is a free printable, which is down below in the comment in the description box. And if you want to know how to use this entire budget book, because it's a budget book, if you want to know how to use the entire budget book, I do have the planner layout, the planner video that's out there, and then I do have like my emergency fund, which shows you how to use those, and so on and so forth. So yes, for my 1 month ahead, I did put $22 in there, and so that did come up to $82 in total for my additional savings, and so my remaining is $8. Now moving down to additional debt, because I was boo-boo the fool. Because y'all, self-restraint is so hard. That's how we got ourselves into these problems, but the self-restraint is hard, y'all. But I have been, Instagram be getting me, because they be having these little stories, and then they're like, oh, you want to read the rest of it? Go ahead and click the link. And so I will be the one to go and click the link, and then in order to read more of the story, you have to pay like $5, $10, $20 to buy the coins to open up new sections of the book. And so I would do that, and then all of a sudden now I spent $40 on coins, which I didn't need to spend. I'm just telling you, that's how I got myself into this trouble. So for additional debt, I had book coins, which was $8, and that is what I spent there. And I'm pretty sure I spent more than $8. No, maybe I spent $7.55 and it was $8. I think that's what it is. But I spent $8, and so that left me with $0 out of my $600 that I originally started with. So when you do my income of $1,216.09, then I have no expenses that comes out of my bills account this month, but I did have 147 in cash envelopes. My sinking funds was 363 and did me very well, and I'm super grateful. My additional savings, $82, and then my additional debt of $8. I am left with $616.09 to work with for the rest of the month. Okay, if you have not seen my paycheck budget cash stuffing, my budget with me cash stuffing, which I posted last Friday, then go ahead and check it out. It's the full everything, my budget and cash stuffing, y'all. I'm on track in February. February is being really good to me, and I've been following everything and doing everything, so hopefully we're looking for just more. We can accomplish more in February, and so that is what February is to me. Okay, so that is it, closed out. That is my paycheck number 2 budget, all finished, well and good. I have tracked what needed to be tracked, updated what needed to be updated, and you guys might be like, girl, you ain't even did nothing. Everything that you did is the same. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay, because if there was something that changed, I would like to know, because yes, on other budgets it do change. Get into it. So yeah, so I always write it out to see what was closed out, but then this also keeps me updated, you know. And that's what you need whenever you fill out your expense trackers, which I have not filled out. Let me tell y'all the tea. I filled it out the first week and I didn't fill out the rest of it yet, but I will go ahead and fill it out. And then by the next time you guys see my next paycheck budget closeout, which should be next Monday, child, I will have this updated and get my life all the way together. So, because I do have one more paycheck budget closeout for paycheck 3 before the end of the month. Which next month then we'll go into the, what's it called? We'll go into February closeout. Wednesday, very excited. Oh my god, y'all. Wednesday I am doing March 2024 budget. I'm doing March 2024 budget, and so there's exciting things that's happening with this budget. There's changes that's happening for the month of March, which is a-okay with me. Changes for Sunday reads. We are still picking which book to read for Sunday reads, so I do have a post here in the community, so go ahead, check it out, click on the book that you guys would like to read. Right now there's a toss-up between 2, and what I'll most likely do on Wednesday is a flip a coin, child, and see which budget which book we're gonna read for the month of March. But I'm super excited for the changes in March. And on Wednesday, I'm going to give y'all the rest of the tea of all the things that I'm planning to do in March. But it's super exciting. And so, yes. Okay, so that's it for this video. I will update my expense tracker so you guys can see and hear all the things. And yeah, super duper grateful for everyone that has been subscribing. Everyone that's been watching the playlist, watching the videos, supporting the channel. Today is Monday. And let's have a great week, y'all. Great things are yet to come. We're in the second half of the month of February, but this year is gonna be awesome, and February is just the second month of a great year of 2024, because 2024 is mine to claim, mine to do all that needs to be done with it, and I will accomplish those. So thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Aneke. I hope y'all are eating well, okay? Because y'all know that is how I'm closing out my video. I hope y'all are eating well. I hope y'all got a budget for it too, but I hope y'all are eating well, because you know what? Full stomachs makes happy people, and I love happy people. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Aneke. I will see you guys on Wednesday for March 2024 budget, because it's about to be a vibe. Okay, get into it. Okay, see y'all in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.